Luna-chan, do you want this? You want this?
じゃあこれおしまい。はい。じゃあ見て、ほとんど食べた。
Yeah.
美味しかった？ダディ作ったホットケーキちゃん。ダディとエリカで作ったね。
It was pretty good. Luna-chan, do you really want to eat this orange? You already had pancakes. You had 2 pieces of pancake from Mama. Are you sure you want this? Hoshino? Luna-chan says, yes, yes. Hoshino, Hoshino. Hoshino. Aww. Okay, Luna-chan. Ready?
Is entirely at his disposal for the hunting. Hold on, will help. More cover.
Wait.
Don't encourage him.
Wait.
Oh, maybe I should take her out. Good idea. Where
You ready?
To Washington to meet President Roosevelt.
1,
How about a movie?
2,
Ever went to a movie once? Before she came to New York.
2.5.
And she said it was swell. And Miss Hannigan goes all the time.
One.
Take it to the
A
radio.
little piece of orange for
Are you
Luna-chan.
gonna take me? Me? Annie, you may think that Miss Farrell does all the work around here, but it's not entirely true. I'm a busy man.
No more.
A very busy man.
I know. I didn't mean to get in the way, Mr. Warbucks.
Good
Nobody
girl,
has to
Luna-chan.
take me.